Away they go. Give that talent from the outside by Daryl. Is entry number 3, Hadjok. Sunday Street in the middle. Marcus Empire, Bullseye, Senor. Elijah from the outside. Smarty Pants and Fiery Bull. Hadjok, followed by Marcus Empire, Bullseye, Sunday Street. Senor Elijah is racing from the outside, and Give that talent from the outside. Fiery Bull, Smarty Fans rounding the far turn. Hadjok, Bullseye, Senor Elijah is racing in third by Daryl. Marcus Empire as they race the final corner. Hadjok, Bullseye, Senor Elijah, Sunday Street, Danori inside. Marcus Empire, Give that talent is Smarty Fans, Fiery Bull. Senor Elijah is now the leader by Daryl. Bullseye, Smarty Fans on the outside, and nearing the finish line. Senor Elijah, Smarty Fans, but it's too little, too late. And finally, Senor Elijah is Smarty Fans close. Fiery Bull, Bullseye, Give that talent, Sunday Street, Marcus Empire, and